So I want to check about the PDF on how it's short. Uh, that is on how it's short in the transfer form, summary PDF sign, application form, summary PDF. When I check in the application form, summary PDF, it's displayed correctly. So I want to check in the summary PDF sign and the sign contract amendment. The price time should be displayed correctly. Before there is an issue about the price type in the signature step summary does not match with the summary PDF. So now still in the transfer program form. I not yet to sign the step summary, so I want to check the PDF before I sign the summary. When I check the scope contract amendment sign at the end, so there, there, okay, right, right, okay, okay, start, start, okay, check, go back to this signature, check the PDF. Correct with the that's correct and type and I to type action type and I type the transfer program from step summary. Compare with the type step is already matched with step summary in here and the PDF summary. Now still waiting for the year sign at the citizen police. And this is the time scope of the sign. This is the time when I sign in the admission form. So after that, want to check the time of the So okay. So I will put in my source, okay. And I want to complete the form.